Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken potato barbecue. First, keep a vessel, 1 glass water and 1 cup boneless chicken, like small pieces, and 1 cup potatoes, and 2 tablespoons chili garlic ginger paste, 1 teaspoon salt, and half tablespoon turmeric powder, and half glass water, and mix it. And close it. It's boiling. 1 cup capsicum, and 2 eggs, and mix it. And half tablespoon salt and mix it again. And breadcrumbs. Keep like this: potato, capsicum and chicken. And do all like this, and dip into egg and dip into breadcrumbs. Do all that again. I'll do like this again. And keep a pan, vegetable oil, and fry. Put it. It's boiling. After fry golden brown color, take it. Chicken potato barbecue is ready. It's so delicious and yummy. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.